Rifle Range Nature Park. 66 acres of green buffer to the nearby Bukit Timah Hill. I am right here at one of the many entrances. I think this is called the Rambai Path. So I think so. So there are multiple entrances to come into the Rifle Range Nature Park. So from what I see, there are actually two routes that you can actually take. So either the hiking trail or maybe a stroll in the park trail. So the weather today is not pretty good. So I am going to bring you guys to the walk in the park trail. So when I say walk in the park, okay, it is not exactly a walk in the park, but compared to the hiking trail, this should be pretty easy. You know, all ages should be able to come here and enjoy the nature around here. So sit tight, lace up your shoelace, cause here we go. Well, we are supposed to be able to see flying squirrel flying all over the place here, but I don't think they are active at this timing. So, well, let's see if we can get lucky and see squirrel flying all over the place. Well, this part is called the Forest Exploration Trail, but it says it's for children aged 5 and 12. But who cares? Let's still go in and take a look and see what there is inside there. I assume that this is for Animal Crossing. In case you don't know, Rifle Range Road or Rifle Range Park, this area is a bit notorious for monkeys. So we should be able to spot some monkeys along the way. You guys see that? That is the destination that we are going to go. I think it's one big round, but I don't think it's going to be a long walk, but I think they'll be slightly up the slope, some step up the slope. So let's get on going. Which route should we choose? So this route is the 30 meters challenging route, and this route is the 50 meters slightly longer moderate route. So which one should we choose? Okay, let's go to the challenging route. I think we'll come down through the moderate route. So let's go. I did say right at the start that this was a stroll in the park, but not exactly. Maybe for someone who don't exercise, this was quite a bit of walk. But for the rest of you, I think you should do better than me. So for those of you who want to come down, this is the Rifle Range Nature Park. The most convenient entry to Rifle Range Nature Park is still through the Beauty World. There are multiple entrances into the park. So you guys can decide for yourself which entrance that you want to enter the park in. So that's all for today's video. Catch you guys on the next